Hi, in this video, I'll tell you how you can make your slides interactive for further distributing them in Creatio. Pitch Avatar helps you create, make interactive, and share your sales presentations or product guides, and track engagement right in Creatio. Let's see how it works in Pitch Avatar. Upload a PDF, PPT, or video. Here you can add your script or generate it with AI for each slide. It will be the base for your voiceover or AI avatar. Then add a voiceover either from the library or using your own cloned voice for a personal touch.
Welcome to the team. We're thrilled to have you join us at Pitch Avatar.
Don't stop at one language. You can translate your script into any language and reach global audiences. And don't forget, you can easily add an avatar to any slide just like this. Resize and reposition the avatar on the slide. Place it where it looks best for your audience.
Onboarding-Reise. In diesem Plan erhältst
Now let's create a personalized presentation link. This step is important because here you decide how your audience will interact with your content. Basic settings, edit the link title so it's easier to find later in analytics. Add your calendar link. This way, prospects can instantly book a meeting right from the player. Lead form. Add a lead form if you want to collect more details. Choose the fields you need: name, company, email, phone, etc. Decide after which slide the form will appear. Add a short message, for example. To continue viewing, please fill out this form. Advanced settings, configure what the viewer can do. Share slides, ask questions, leave comments, or call you directly. Save and share. Click Create to generate the link. You can now copy it directly, embed it into your website with an HTML iFrame, or add it as a floating JS widget. Quick test, open the link, check how the presentation looks, test the lead form, and interactive buttons. Once everything works as expected, you're ready to share it with your client. Track viewing time, completed forms, and interaction rate in Pitch Avatar or synced into Creatio. With Pitch Avatar, every presentation becomes interactive, personalized, and trackable, so you close more deals.